Hi everyone, we've been enjoying the most glorious weather recently and we've had a really dry spell. The result is that the hay is in early, and to celebrate we're going to be decorating this Haywain for an event later this evening. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the UK. The conditions today are less than ideal. It's a really hot day and also the Haywain is covered in hay, so there's lots of little prickly things lying around that can pop the balloon, so we're going to be extra careful today. The other thing about the hay is I was very tempted to sweep this Haywain, and I've decided against it because I know from past experience that that will just sweep up all the little bits and particles into the air, and that's just going to increase the chances of the balloons popping. So I'm going to leave the hay where it is on the top of this Haywain.